Greetings to one and all. My name is Adrika Mishra and I am a student of grade 11 from Lotus Valley International School, Noida Extension. And today I'll be talking about a very special country indeed. From the wide expanse of outer space to the vibrancy of democracy, from thriving innovations to the united endeavors for fulfilling livelihood, a magnificent tapestry of traditions and history. India. India is not just a nation but an example and a reminder. An example of everlasting faith and a reminder of the divine human force. The 78th year of Indian independence showcases the glory of our achievements. Expanding from our own success of the Chandrayaan 2, we moved on to the Chandrayaan 3, through which we ventured across the lunar surface waiting to be explored and uncovered. The Aditya L1 unraveled secrets of the sun, studying the outermost layer of the sun. Not only this, but India participated in the ExpoSat mission dealing with the investigation of our cosmic neighbors. In the field of education, we see that India's literacy rate rose by 5% in 2023 from that of 2011, and with a similar rise in higher education. This was done along with the promotion of technical and vocational skills. We can also proudly say that Indian institutions now hold global rankings and reputation. The education sector has evolved to be more inclusive of every Indian brother or sister of ours. This wonderful nation has also witnessed the rapid advancement in technology through e-learning and initiatives like Digital India. We all know that UPI payments are now taking their place in the global market, which includes countries like Singapore, Malaysia, France, UAE, Nepal, the UK, Mauritius, and Sri Lanka. We also see many recent developments like the India Semiconductor Mission, initiative on critical and emerging technology, along with advancement in AI. Atmanirbhar Bharat allowed for not only independent manufacturing of goods but also of military equipment. How can we forget that India has unparalleled young talent like Neeraj Chopra, Pragnananda, Parul Chaudhary, and Jyoti Yaraji who have gone above and beyond horizons in sports. This lively nation also held the world's biggest democratic elections just this year and climbed to be one of the top 5 greatest economies of the world. These achievements and history paved the way for new aspirations, new goals, and new methods, whether that may be in preserving the environment, eradicating poverty, establishing cleanliness, or crafting a nation with the sweetest of souls and the greatest of lives. We have a vision to empower youth and awaken the citizens, and a vision of being united to create and celebrate countless achievements that await this magnificent nation. This 78th year of independence, we shall strive for independence from any chains that hold back this glorious country's potential.